guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can copy crosshair codes from like pro players on Valorant. So just search on Google, like for instance like Tenzi's crosshair, and there will be like a crosshair code here. So you're just going to select this and select copy, go back to Valorant, and you're going to select settings again, and then you're going to select crosshair. Do I have any slots left? Yes, I do. So I'm just going to select import, which is the second one, and I'm going to press the paste button and I'm going to select import. Okay, there's something wrong with it, but basically, okay, there you go. Press OK, and then here you can edit profile name. This is not Tenzi's crosshair, by the way. I just copied mine because the one that I copied didn't work. But if you go back here, just select crosshair code, and then here just select this bit right here. I'm not sure if I should use the, wait, let me just, and then press import, and then press paste, and then press import, and then here you can edit profile name, and then just change it to like tens for instance, and then it'll be just saved to your profile. And to delete, just press this delete crosshair profile and press confirm. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!